Jai Shri Ram. Welcome to Astrology with Abhilasha. Today I'm discussing certain yogas which will give you fame and success in life. So first of all, Digbali planets. Planets which are in Digbal gives fame. Now Jupiter and Mercury gets Digbal in the ascendant. Moon, Venus get Digbal in the 4th house. Saturn, Rahu gets Digbal in the 7th house. Mars and Sun gets Digbal in the 10th house. So whenever you have a Digbali planet in your horoscope, or your Lagna Lord is with a Digbali planet, it indicates that you can have easy fame in your life, easy success in your life. Now the other parameter is if you have Vargotam planets or powerful Lagna by sign like exalted, Mool Trikona, Swarashi. Swarashi means in own sign. So if you have planets which are powerful, then also it denotes that you can have success and fame in life. Especially when a planet is Vargotam, it shows that you will have prominence in your profession, but that prominence comes with age. Like spending an ample amount of duration in your profession, sticking to one thing, and then gradually attaining fame and success in that. Other thing is Moon and Jupiter in Kendra houses also shows that one can have fame and success in life. Right? Kendra houses 1, 4, 7, 10. Whenever Moon or Jupiter, either of the two planets, is placed in these signs, these houses, then you can say success is due, fame is due. Now the other parameter is whichever year Saturn transits over your Sun, that is the time when you can have success in your career. You can have unexpected fame with some hard work, but your due credit will be given to you. Whenever Rahu transits over Moon, that is also a time when you'll suddenly have burst of ideas and you'll act upon it and you'll be famous and success within no time. Yeah, I know that Rahu's transit over Moon is considered not a very good one, but no, it is not like that. Rahu's transit over Moon can give you out of the box ideas, and if you act upon them, you can surely have success, and that would be very sudden, right? And you cannot imagine the amount of success it can give you. Whenever Jupiter transits over your natal Venus, that is also a time when you can gain prominence in your profession and you can have fame and success. That is it. Also, what is the time when these placement will actually give you result? It is when that particular house is active in the Sarvato Bhadra Chakra. That is the year of your life you will have success. So that is all from my side. Jai Shri Ram. Take care. Subscribe.